At the outset of this section on predictability, we mentioned that one of the factors to make us predictable is not to make any sudden changes in either speed or direction. Swerving is the very antithesis of this, hence making it so unpredictable. Now, the takeaway for us on the subject of swerving is to be aware of what's happening not only directly ahead of us, but way ahead of that as well. Because then, if we are aware of what's happening way ahead of us, that will alert us to any situations that may arise where drivers ahead of us are not paying attention and are then likely to swerve. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.